It's time to read through Renovation with Justine. Where the Giants Hide. I went hunting for giants. I searched far and wide. They're bigger than houses. So where do they hide? Where is the fairy who'll grant me a wish? And what happened to mermaids? Did they turn into fish? When I try kissing frogs, they don't turn into princes. If I try riding broomsticks, they won't budge 2 inches. So don't say there's a troll lurking under the bridge. Don't tell me that goblins are raiding my fridge. Or that magic is knocking tip-tap at my door because I don't believe it exists anymore. If it did, we'd have pixies to keep the house clean. Terrible dragons to make us all scream. And strange see-through genies like great puffs of steam. But these things aren't real. The world's dull and gray, and if there ever was magic, it's all leaked away. And that makes me sad. How I wish that right now the world would stand up and take a big bow and do something amazing to make me go, wow. Something amazing, especially for me. And that's when I wonder, hey, what would it be? And that's when I see I can dream it alive. And that's when I know, oh, that's where giants hide. And that was Where Giants Hide.